What's up, guys? My name's Brandon, and after being rumored for years and after multiple delays due to manufacturing issues, Apple has finally released the all-new over-ear studio headphones, and they're calling them AirPods Max. These are the ones that were rumored to be called AirPods Studio, but Apple went with AirPods Max to better align with the iPhone naming scheme. So now we have the AirPods, the AirPods Pro, and now the AirPods Max. So anyways, in this video, we're going to discuss everything you need to know before buying the new AirPods Max. All right, so first things first, these look way better than the renders we saw leaked earlier in the year. They have a custom acoustic design made for great sound and comfort, and Apple says that the knit mesh that you'll find all around the AirPods reduces on-head pressure. So in theory, these should be extremely comfortable on the head, which is great for long listening sections. So also the headband, the frame of the headband is made of stainless steel and is covered by that super comfortable looking knit mesh. So these will probably have a pretty good weight to them in the hand, but of course on the head they will feel lightweight thanks to that design and the weight distribution. We also get 5 different color choices. So you have silver, space gray, sky blue, pink, and green. And the way that the ear cups fit onto your ear is very interesting. So Apple says, quote, "Each ear cup attaches to the headband through a revolutionary mechanism that balances and distributes ear cup pressure and allows it to independently pivot and rotate to fit the unique contours of a user's head. Each ear cushion uses acoustically engineered memory foam to create an effective seal, a critical factor in delivering immersive sound." So that sounds amazing. That sounds like we're going to get some really good audio and of course great comfort, especially with the memory foam on the ear cushions. And on the AirPods Max, it looks like it's on the top right side. You also have a small digital crown, which will be used for audio controls. You'll also be able to answer phone calls, activate Siri. You'll be able to activate noise cancellation and the transparency mode and things like that. Pretty much everything you could do on the AirPods Pro, but of course you have a physical dial called a digital crown, like on the Apple Watch, on top of the AirPods Max. Now inside of the AirPods Max, we have an H1 chip in each ear cup, along with a 40mm Apple designed dynamic driver. So these are going to be giving us some insanely good audio. And Apple actually says that the AirPods Max use computational audio to deliver the highest quality listening experience possible. They say that utilizing each of the H1 chip's 10 audio cores, computational audio powers a breakthrough listening experience that includes adaptive EQ, active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and spatial audio. So yeah, we can expect great audio with all of the features that we've grown to know and love on the AirPods Pro, especially spatial audio. I bet that spatial audio is just going to be insane with the AirPods Max on the head. And these of course will automatically connect to your iPhone, your iPad, your Mac, whatever you have, just like the previous AirPods have. And also just like the AirPods Pro, stop when you take one out. The AirPods Max will also do the same by automatically detecting when they're on your head using the optical and position sensor. So basically once an ear cup is lifted or taken off, the music will pause just like we have with the AirPods Pro when you take one out. Now, as for battery life, the AirPods Max will have up to 20 hours of high fidelity audio, talk time, or movie playback with active noise cancellation and spatial audio enabled. So that's actually a pretty good battery life if you ask me. And actually Apple also says that 5 minutes of charging will grant 1.5 hours of listening time. So for each 5 minutes, you get an hour and a half of listening time. So I think that's actually really solid, especially since these do not wirelessly charge. They charge through USB-C to Lightning. So it has a Lightning port in the bottom. And of course it comes with a Lightning to USB-C cable in the box, along with a soft smart case in the box, which kind of looks like a purse. I can already see a lot of memes being made about this case, but it's pretty good that it comes with it and you don't have to pay extra for that. But no, you do not get a charging block in the box, just like you did not get with the iPhones this year. Now, as for the pricing and release date, these cost $549. Yes, $550 for these headphones, and they will be available on Tuesday, December 15th, with pre-orders available right now. I did go ahead and pre-order the Space Gray myself. So anyways, let's talk about that $550 price tag. That is more than double the price of the AirPods Pro. And for most people, I would say they are not worth paying that price, but for some people, these are an excellent solution. So if you mainly wear headphones in your house, to the gym, on a bike ride, and things like that, the AirPods Pro are perfect for you. Even if you travel and need noise cancellation on a plane, the AirPods Pro are great for that as well. I've done it many times. And again, these are available for $250 on apple.com or under $200 if you buy them on Amazon or pretty much anywhere else. They're like $200 and a lot of times they're on sale even for less than $200. I think that Apple is targeting 3 different demographics for the AirPods Max. So the first one is going to be audiophiles who want the best of the best when it comes to sound quality and noise cancellation. I think the second demographic Apple is targeting are people who travel very often, and I think they will love these because they not only provide excellent noise cancellation, they also have good battery life, and Apple is claiming that they are very comfortable and reduce pressure in the ear, which are all key for flying. And then the third demographic I think Apple is targeting with the AirPods Max are going to be people who just want to flex and just kind of show off for other people. So I have a feeling that these will look and feel ultra premium and that a lot of people will buy these just to flex on other people around them. Kind of like a lot of people did with the Beats headphones years ago. A lot of people bought those just because they knew it was like an image thing. It made them look good. It made them look like they had money, things like that. And I think it's going to be the same case here. Unfortunately, that's the time we're living in. I think that's going to be the same with the AirPods Max. And that's why I think that the pricing is genius from Apple. $549 is extremely expensive, and that's going to scream high quality. It's going to scream, a lot of people are going to want them but not be able to afford them, which in turn is going to make people buy them just to flex on other people. And especially when we have things like celebrities, I guarantee you, like LeBron James and other big celebrities are going to be wearing these headphones next year. And a lot of people are going to want to buy them, and they see the celebrities wearing them. They see that they're $550 and they're going to buy them. Just like a lot of, women will buy these really expensive purses or shoes, or guys will buy these expensive designer shirts and things like that. I think it's going to be kind of the same case with the AirPods Max here. It's going to be more of an image thing, which unfortunately, again, that's the times we live in, but that is unfortunately, I think, another demographic Apple is targeting for these AirPods Max. But yeah, that's my thinking. I did go ahead and pre-order these, and I will be getting them on the channel to cover them. And I may or may not be right with my predictions and my thinking about these, but we'll see next week when I get these in the studio and do my review videos for you guys. But I will say that if I did not cover Apple products here on the channel, if I did not do this for a living, I would not be buying these because I have the AirPods Pro, which are more than fine for me. And I even ran a poll over on Instagram if you think that the AirPods Max are too expensive. So you can see there I said, is $550 too much for over-ear headphones? And 85% said yes, 15% said no, with over 300 votes there on the poll over on Instagram. So that's to be expected. Again, this is just for a certain demographic these headphones are, so I would expect most people to say they're too expensive, but I'm really curious to know your guys' thoughts. So let me know what you think about the AirPods Max down in a comment below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, I would appreciate if you gave it a thumbs up. And of course, make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming coverage of the AirPods Max. Again, I did pre-order them in the space gray color, and they will be coming next week. So stay tuned for that, guys. But anyways, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon.